Hello guys, welcome to the Bangier Minings. Before start the video, disclaimer: this video is only for educational purpose. Today we talk about free passive income PKT cash. What is PKT cash? PKT cash is decentralized blockchain that's allow individual to gain profit from their internet bandwidth. This blockchain gives you an opportunity to earn from your extra internet bandwidth. You can also say this that is help you to gain from your internet service provider. What is PKT Cash Crypto? Simply, this is a new blockchain that's work based on proof of work. It is also a decentralized coin like other cryptocurrencies. The proof of work that PKT use pocket crypto. This pocket crypto allow your bandwidth spread throughout the PKT network. So when you mine for the queens, the network would recognize your bandwidth as having higher quality. That is a main site of the PKT dash. Welcome to PKT, Internet by the people for the people. PKT is a full decentralized layer 1 protocol. It's designed to transmit high speed data around the world and enable internet access without relying on traditional monoplastics ISPs. Build the future of network. The PKT ecosystem aims to solve the problem of internet access monopolizations from ISPs by enabling people instant business opportunity to sports and scale PKT network worldwide. Chetra. Mine. Turn bandwidth into the income. PKT use pocket crypt that world first bandwidth hard proof of work. You can earn PKT cash when you connect your home, your office or office internet to the PKT networks. Today we will be use window mining, PKT window mining. Easiest way you can use without any hardware. Just download the software and start mining. You test it before for a future searching. You can check all roadmap. The roadmap is phase 1 is completed, phase 2 and phase 3 update will be soon. You also check its white paper for all information. First of all, we download the wallets. It's different wallet available. PKT wallet, store PKT in a PKT wallet. It's have different software version. You can check that. Easy to use Electrium PKT wallet, WPKT MetaMask, Node mobile wallet. But we today use with PKT World wallet because you can mine with this wallet. It's very easy to use and you don't need any extra things for start mining. Just click on install PKT World wallet. PKT wallets, a blockchain wallet allow you receive, store and transfer your coins on the blockchain. There are several different wallets for PKT cash. The pkt.world wallet is easiest way to store your PKT cash and start mining. Click the button below, download the wallet and join the community chat if you have any questions, suggestions. So we download the PKT World wallet. Make sure your browser and operating system may warn you about the dangerous installing software from unknown sources. This is a normal. It's a You just download it. It's not any issue with it. You can choose accept installation anyway. To be sure software authentic, you can check that is signed by UCIS internet. So first we download the softwares. I am already have downloaded software. This you just download and save it. When you start the software, they give you wallet passwords and wallet seed. Make sure you keep it safe for your wallet address. Once your wallet has been created, it shows seed words. Make sure copy and write down seed words and keep them in safe place. And these combined with your passwords can be used restore access to your wallet if you lose access to your computer. Let's We already have downloaded this software. Let's check it. Just double click on that. That is the PKT wallet. It's already installed on my computer. It's open. It's your PKT address, that mining wallet. You can label any name. I just click on miner settings. You can wallet address, give any name, and threads. How many want you use? 2, 4. It's depend on your PC and your choice. Save and play. It's start mining. You can check synchronization, blockchain balance. It's already some queens mine. You can see that is using bandwidth. It's working now. Just you don't need anything else. It's just started mining. If you can check on the explore pkt.cash explore balance and mine last 24 hours 2.17 mpkt. Also you can test it, explore it. You can create many wallet address as you require. You can for different purpose. View address in PKT world mining income. Here you can check its mining income. That is the diagram. It's your wallet address. Like you can check by there is wallet there. That is the easiest way to start mining PKT cash. You can use different softwares. You can use Linux and Mac operating system, but we just tested today with Windows. pkt.world wallet is easy and simple for using. It's working without any extra hardware. I hope guys you like the video. If you have any questions, leave comments. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.